welcome to FlowEdge. Let me give you a quick tour of what you're going to find at our domes. First thing you'll notice upon getting into the driveway is an EV charger. Follow me. Each of our domes comes with a wood-fire Cedar Hot Tub. We have a video dedicated specifically to operating that hot tub, so if you've got any questions about that, check that one out. Each dome has outdoor string lights, and the switch is just out on the deck. Nice big red button. We've got barbecues, we've got seating areas, and if you feel like lounging, we've got hammocks. To get into the dome, we have a touchscreen lock. To activate the lock, you need to touch it. 2 numbers will light up. You want to push those numbers, and then you'll see the whole keypad light up. That is when you put in the code to get inside. Inside our domes, you're going to find a complete kitchen full of everything you need to cook and eat a meal. We've even got metal tumblers and wine glasses for outside. Please save our delicate glass for inside the dome. We provide sugar, tea, coffee, oil, salt, and pepper for your cooking convenience and morning needs. We've also got a microwave/convection oven. There's a separate video for that so you know how it works properly. Also in the kitchen you'll find the controls for our air exchange units. Next to that you're going to see a button that kicks it into high gear for any time you're cooking or boiling water so that we don't get too much condensation buildup inside these domes. On the nightstand you'll find the remote for the fireplace. To turn it on, all you got to do is hit the power button. You'll hear the beep. Then you got to give it 10 to 20 seconds and then the fire should light up. There is a video specific to all of the other buttons on this remote, so you can check that out if you got more questions about how and what this can do. Underneath the sink, you'll find bins for garbage, plastic recycling, metal recycling, and on top of the fridge, you'll see a bin for compost. In behind the garbage bins, you'll find a dustpan and a stepping stool. For your safety, we've got tick removal kits and first aid kits in the bottom drawer down here. And right across the way, we've got the trusty fire extinguisher for all your fire extinguishing needs. Over by the bathroom, you'll find another button similar to the kitchen that will kick our air exchange unit into high gear for when you're having a shower. This again will keep the condensation low inside the dome when you're showering and all that stuff. Right above it, you'll find the thermostat, and this is how you can control the temperature of the dome. Here we've got our mirrors. You can turn the light up and down by holding your finger on the button, or you can just tap it to change the color of the light, or turn it off. Here, this one, that turns on the defog behind the mirror. So even though you're showering and you've got the air exchange unit on high, this will make sure that you never get too much condensation on the mirror. Once you get into the shower, you'll notice there's a big window here. If you want a little bit more privacy, the trick to that is turn the shower over to the left to hot. Let the water run for about 30 seconds to a minute before you get in. That'll fog the window up, give you a little bit more privacy. To control the temperature of the shower, just use the top knob. Left is cold. Pressing the button down will let you turn it all the way over to the right to make it as hot as possible. The handle underneath, when turned to the left, will control the shower head. When turned to the right, it will control the handheld shower. We have a king bed in every dome set up with luxury Pima cotton sheets. In the summer we use quilts on top of the bed. In the winter we use down duvets. The trick to getting into the bed for a nice comfortable sleep is to actually grab the sheet, pull it back, and then climb in between the sheets. That's the trick. Between the sheets, you will sleep much more comfortably. All of our domes are set up just a little bit different to give them that spice and pizzazz. So if you're staying in one of the domes with a rocking chair, be mindful not to rock it into the wall. It will leave a mark. Be conscious how you rock, because make no mistake, you do rock. In our domes, you'll find a basket with a variety of games in it. Some of them test your wit, some of them are for getting to know each other a little bit better. Have fun playing.